Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Compton. I'm so glad I get to see you today. Okay, we are going to start today with some counting. So we're going to use our 120 charts. If you have your 120 chart, you can go get it. And if you need to, you have to hit pause. Okay, so here is our 120 chart, and it starts with 1, but really, even before 1 is a big fat 0. Remember 0, the hero? So there's a 0. Okay, and 0 is worth nothing. It's like having no money or no bike to ride. 0. Okay, so after 0 comes 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oop, there's 10. Okay, now, what comes next? That line has some teen numbers on it. Do you guys remember your teen numbers? Let's see if we can count the teen numbers. Okay, so after 10, let's see, is 11, 12, 13. 13 is like a 10, and then 1, 2, 3 more, right? Okay, so 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, I'm going to ask you guys to show me some things on your fingers. Are you ready? Get those fingers ready. Get them warmed up. Okay, everybody, I want you to show me 5 on your fingers. Now, are you showing 5 like this, or are you showing something else? Maybe you're showing me a 1 and a 4. Does that still make 5? Yes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe you showed me a 2 and a 3. Maybe let's check that. Does that make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that still makes 5. Okay, maybe you just showed me this. How about everybody show me 4 on your fingers? Show me 4. Let me see. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, are you showing me this? How about, are you showing me this? Let's check. Is 2 and 2 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that makes 4. How about this? Just one hand with 4. Is that 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's another way to make 4? Oh, I know. How about a 1 and a 3? Did anyone show me that? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going to try another one. How about, I want everyone to show me 8. Everybody show me 8 fingers. Did you count it out? Are you doing it now? Okay, let's see. What did you show me? Did you show me a 5 and then 6, 7, 8? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you check your fingers? Okay. How about, did anyone show me this for 8? A 4 and a 4 more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, my pinky's hard to wiggle all by itself. 8. There it is. Maybe you had a 4 and a 4. All right, there's all different ways to make numbers, right? Okay, I want to do one last thing with you before we go to our story problem. I want to see if you could tell me what's 1 more than the number I give you. All right, you ready? What is 1 more than the number 4? What's 1 more? On the count of 3, I want you to tell me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you say 5? Okay, what's 1 less than 4? 1 less than 4. Find the answer. 1 less than 4. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you say 3? Here's 4, and 1 less than 4 would be 3. Okay, I'm going to give you a teen number now. Okay, 16. Here's 16. I want to know what's 1 more than 16. Everybody think. On the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. What'd you say? Did you say 17? Let's check. Here's 16. 1 more than 16 is 17. Okay, what's 1 less than 16? 1 less. Did you find your answer? On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you say it? Did you say it? Is it 15? Is it 14? Let's find out. Here's 16. One less would be 15. Yeah. Okay, now I have a fun story for you because I have been thinking a lot about Halloween. I've been thinking a lot about what happens during this time, and I've also been thinking about bats. So I've been thinking about making some bat stories for you. So I have a bat story for you today. Now, before we do this bat story, I have to tell you, I have had some experience with bats because I went camping once in a cabin when I was a kid, and there was a bat in the cabin. And guess what? It was more afraid of us than we were of it. So bats really aren't that scary, I don't think. All right, so here we go. This is our story. Let's see if we can find any sight words in here. See if you can find any sight words. Did you find the word in? There's in. And maybe you found the word a right here. I see another sight word. Did you find the word the? See if you can find the word the. Right here. The. And maybe you already know how to read the word bats. This is our story all about bats right here. Okay, we're going to read the story and you can listen as I read it to you. And I want you to imagine the picture in your mind. Okay, so stop to really think about what the story is asking. There were bats in a cave. Then bats flew away. Okay, can you imagine bats in a cave? Because we know bats live in a cave, right? They don't live in nests like birds. They live in caves. Or actually, I should say they sleep in caves because they do exit the caves, right? Okay, so there were bats in a cave. Okay. Then bats flew away. How many bats were left in the cave? Okay, so there were some bats in the cave, and then some bats flew away. And we're trying to find out how many bats are still left in that cave. All right, do you have the picture in your mind? Okay, if you don't have the picture in your mind yet, you need to hit pause and listen to the story again. All right, but now I'm going to reveal our number sets we can choose from. So here we are. We have 4 and 2, 5 and 2, 7 and 3. Now you can only choose one set of numbers at a time. So I'm going to pretend like this is the set I feel is just right for me. So I'm going to take my first number in the set, and I'm going to fill in the first line that has a missing spot. So the 4 goes right there. And then the 2, I have to pick from the same set. The 2 is going to go on the second line right there because it was the second missing number. And now the big thing is we have to read it again. So here we go. There were 4 bats in a cave. Okay, 4 bats in a cave. Then 2 bats flew away. How many bats were left in the cave? Okay, kindergartners, it's your turn to do the work. You have to decide first which number set feels just right to you. Choose your set and then check in with your grown-up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.